Hi, I'm Al with Powershades, and we're here at KOA in Panorama City, and we're demonstrating our new cool kits that you can take a look when you're interested in getting shades. And this is a really unique suitcase that we have that demonstrates the different types of shade designs, like the cassette or the open roll, and it also lets you get a good idea of what the bottom of your shade is going to be when it's rolling up and down. And also the cool little trinkets that make things happen, which is the remote controls. We have a handheld, and then we have our wall mount version that's magnetic that you can basically mount on the wall and then move it around. And from there, you can choose a selection of the styles and the colors and the design and stuff. And then we can move on to our really cool new fabric book, which is very cool with the leather handles, easy to use, opens up really cool. It has cards that you can tear them off and put them back in real easily. And it shows like the different opacities of the fabric. As you see, more light and more light through. These are the different 1, 2, 3, and 5%. And then these are the different fabrics. These are called light filtering solars. And they allow you to have some privacy, but have some light during the day. And then these are the decorative ones, the more fancier ones. And these are about 1% light pass through. And then we move on to the blackouts, which are completely blacked out. They have a vinyl on one side and a fabric on the other side, and it prevents any light from coming in. And then we also have our outdoor fabrics, which are really cool if you guys have a deck or a patio or a gazebo and you want to create some kind of a protection against flies or sun itself, since we're in sunny California. So this is a really cool fabric book. And next time you guys are interested in shades, let us know. We'll be more than happy to stop by your house.